Pig. Dog. Hen. Cub. Red. Pin. Bus. Now I will read this sentence to you one word at a time. The red bag is on the bus. Bed. Leg. Get. Fed. Thanks for learning with Pre-K with a Purpose. See you next time, kiddos.